Dear students, let me start with the third method, that is the method of cross multiplication. We all know that the standard form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So when you consider two simultaneous equations, you can consider the equations as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. These are the two given equations. So in the method of cross multiplication, you have a direct formula to find out the value of x and y. So if the two equations are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, then x equals to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y equals to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So using this formula, let us start solving the problems. Okay, we will be doing exercise 6C now. First question, 4x plus 3y equals to 17, 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So these are the two equations. So let us make even the first equation into the standard form, that is 4x plus 3y minus 17 equals to 0, and the second one remains the same. So this remains as your first equation. 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0 is your second equation. So let us write down what is a1 here. a1 is 4, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 17. Here a2 equals to 3, b2 is equal to minus 4 and c2 is equal to 6. So you got all the 6 values now. So now what we have to do is we need to substitute the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in x and y. So what is our x now? You can directly find the value of x now. X equals to b1. b1 is your b1 is 3 into c2 is 6 minus b2 is minus 4 into c1 is minus 17 by a1 is 4 into b2 is again minus 4 minus a2 is 3 into b1 is 3. So let us solve it. 3 6 are 18, minus into minus into minus gives you minus, minus 17 into 4, 68 by minus 16 minus 9. 18 minus 68 gives you minus 50 by minus 25, that is equal to 2. Now y equals to c1 a2. c1 is minus 17 into 3 minus c2 is 6 into 4 by a1 b2. So the denominator is same for x and y. So we can directly write it as minus 16 minus 9. So that is equal to minus 17 into 3 is minus 51 minus 24 by minus 25. That is equal to minus 75 by minus 25 equals to 3. So you get value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 3. This is a direct method of solving the simultaneous equation using cross multiplication. That is, a formula is given to you. Using that, directly you need to substitute and find out the value of x and y. So now I will be doing the 9th question. Question number 9. 4x minus 3y minus 11 equals to 0. 6x plus 7y minus 5 equals to 0. So it is in the standard form. You can take out the values. A1 equals to 4, B1 equals to minus 3, C1 is equal to minus 11. A2 equals to 6, B2 equals to 7, C2 is equal to minus 5. Okay. X equals to B1 C2. B1 is minus 3 into C2 is minus 5 minus B2 C1, that is 7 into minus 11 by A1 B2. A1 B2, A1 is 4 into B2 is 7 minus A2 B1, that is 6 into minus 3. X equals to minus, you get minus 3 into minus 5 is 15, minus into minus plus 77 by 28 plus 18. So 15 plus 77 gives you 92 by 46, that is equal to 2. Similarly, we can find the value of y. Y equals to C1 A2, that is minus 11 into A2. A2 was 6 minus C2 was minus 5 into A1. A1 is 4 by the denominator again remains the same. So you can directly write this 46. Both the cases denominator is same. So you get y equals to minus 66 minus into minus plus 20 by 46. So that is equal to minus 66 plus 20 gives you minus 46 by 46 equals to minus 1. So the value of x equals to 2 and the value of y is equal to minus 1. Let us do our next question. 12th one. Root 2x minus root 3y equals to 0. Root 5x plus root 2y equals to 0. So a1 equals to root 2, b1 equals to minus root 3 and c1 is equals to 0. So a constant is 0 here. And a2 equals to root 5, b2 equals to root 2 and c2 equals to 0. Now let us substitute in the formula. What do we get here? X equals to b1 c2. So b1 is minus root 3 into 0 minus b2 is root 2 into c1 is again 0 by a1 is root 2 into b2 is again root 2 minus a2 is root 5 into b1 is minus root 3. So you get 0, this is 0 by root 2, that is 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus root 15. But 0 by any number equals to 0. So the value of x is equal to 0. Now let us find the value of y. Y equals to c1 a1 a2. So again you get 0 into a2. a2 is equal to root 5 minus c2 is 0 into root 2 by the denominator is 2 plus root 15. So again you get 0 by 2 plus root 15 equals to 0. So the value of x is equal to 0 and value of y is equal to 0. So from this question we will clearly understand that if c1 and c2 is equal to 0, the value of x and y will be equal to 0. Thank you, students.